Alright, I'm Ernest with Easy Does It, and today we're going to show you how to do receptacles the easy way. Let's get to it. Okay, so we've located the main breaker panel, and we've located the breaker that is corresponding to the circuit that we're working on. And so what we want to do is go ahead and cut it off first. When we're dealing with electrical, it's all about safety. So cutting the power is the safest bet. Alright, so what we'll do first is we'll remove this protective plate. The first thing you want to do is verify that the circuit is off. What we got here is a standard static tester, and what you want to do is just probe it a little bit to make sure that it's all good to go. Okay, we're good to go. So, to begin with, this wire is a little long. What you want to do is have only a fist length of wire hanging out the box. So what we'll do is we'll take that pair of strippers, we'll cut them off. Okay. Second, what you want to do is notice that on this receptacle, and all receptacles are pretty much the same, you have a side that is kind of a silver color with the green grounding screw, and then you have the other side that is brass color, and this is for your hot. This will be the positive side or the hot side, and this will be the neutral side. So first what we want to do is take our wires and using the hole in our strippers here, make a loop on each one. Now if you notice how long I'm stripping that's very, very important. It's about a fingernail length, thumbnail, okay? And not more than that, because if so, then you start running into other problems. And it won't be as nice and clean as that. So then, got me a drill here to make things a little bit more expedient. Take the ground first. And since this is number 12, 15 inch receptacle, takes a little bit more to get that ground in there. Okay. Always go behind it with the screwdriver, double tight. Okay. Take the neutral, get it on. And if you have an extra screw and don't have an extra wire, you want to make sure you screw that screw in as well. Always make sure that you go with the same terminal across from each other. Okay. And then when you fold the wire up, notice the wire is coming from the top. So what you want to do is put your finger in there, fold it so that it has a nice little bend in it, and then push dial that back. So with that natural bend, the wires will fold on their own. And that's how you do a single outlet. So here we have 2 wires in there in the box. Now this is on the same circuit, so we know that it's off, but what we want to do is continue to verify, because you never know if something happened. Somebody cut it on, it looks like something, but it's not. Always better to be safe, okay? So we verified that. We'll pull these wires out. Now, there are 2 methods to this, and we'll show you both. We have the general method, which what we'll do is we'll take these 2 grounds, they're already together, okay? Remember, we want to make sure that they're a fist length out, but it looks like these are already about there. So what we'll do is we'll cut them to match. Okay, just like that. We'll get those out of the way. And we'll take the ground. Looks like it was already twisted at some point and started. We'll take and twist them together. We'll make a real nice and tight twist. We'll cut off a little excess. And we'll leave ourselves a tail. Okay? Then we'll go ahead and use our same method as before. We'll strip all these out. A thumbnail nail length long. And then we'll go ahead and put our hooks on. Put a hook on this ground as well. Okay, just like that. Take the outlet, starting with the ground again. Now you want to make sure the wires are matched up correctly. So these 2 are coming out the same cable. These 2 are coming out the same cable. That's important, so you know which terminal to put them on. So I'm going to go with the closest one to the ground. And I'll do them one at a time, alternating. And that is what it looks like when you're done. Okay? And again, all you want to do is take the wires, put a nice little fold in them, and they will naturally fold back into place, just like that. Now, what I want to do is show you the second method. Just take this back off. And this works great if you have more wires than just 2. Or if you want to, this is the average method here. But if you want to go up and above and beyond and do it the way a commercial electrician would do it, this is what you need to do. I'll get that ground a little more twist and start to get squirrely on me. So what you want to do is you take these, straighten them back out. take and put them together and twist them. Just like that. Then we'll take another piece of wire, again, fist length, strip it back. Go ahead and put bends on one side of it. Our hooks on one side of it. We'll go ahead and attach that to the outlet. This is my preferred method. This is how we do it at Easy Does It Electric. To ensure that we don't have any electrical meltdowns on the receptacle. Take the wiring and you go ahead and just twist it right in with the other one. Now we do that. You take the wire nut, tie them all together. Same thing for the hot side. Okay, make sure they match. If they don't, chop them off a little bit. And that's how you do it. That way, the voltage isn't dependent on this outlet. It's a wired joint that goes right back out. Okay. Then again, you want to bend them just like that. Take the ground, pick it up. Okay. Then all you have to do is screw it in. And that is how you do it with 2 or more wires.
Alright people, so there you have it. Receptacles the easy way. If you like the content, go ahead, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and then click on one of these other videos and see something else.